Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will read journal with the title Grammar Instruction in Communicate Language Teaching Classroom Student Teachers Perception. Introduction. Grammar is the language framework and system of meaning. Every language seems to have a grammar, and persons speaking in similar language will communicate because they naturally understand the grammar structure, which is the rules of meaning. In the importance of teaching English grammar as a foreign language, various methods and approaches have been applied to exchange their competence. Savage, Bitterlin and Fries, 2010. Using CLT to teach grammar in the second language classroom is an effort to improve student attitude towards language learning and to have positive effect on their learning process. Emphasis placed on grammatical mistakes and fear of making grammar error has a negative impact on students. The use of CLT in teaching grammar in the second language classroom is a means of changing the attitude of the student towards language learning and positively influencing their way of learning. The changing of teaching culture from teacher-centered up to student-centered caused by the CLT approach also brought up change the concept in how to teach. The adoption of CLT in Indonesian language teaching curriculum has gone through several changes and development. Literal review. The concept of communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching, or CLT, is one of approach to language teaching. This approach was found from the words that language as a system for communication, not just a set of the rules. It switched the emphasis of traditional language teaching to grammar and teacher-centered class to the active of use of authentic language in learning and acquisition. Role of student, teacher, and grammar interaction in CLT. Communicative language teaching implies of self-direction for students. Teachers no longer rely on activities that involve reception, accuracy, and the memories of sentence. They require students to communicate in context and communicate meaningful in foreign language. Communicate active play an important role in teaching communicative language. Grammar interaction can be performed by deductive and inductively, but focus on of the meaning and function of form in the situation, context, and the role of the instructor. Methodology, research design, participant, and local of the study. The study used intrinsic case study method as the way to collect the data. Criswell 2030 state case study is quantitative approach that involves the study about issue explored through one or more case over time through detail, in-depth data collection involving multiple sources of information. We use intrinsic case study because the study design was focused on the case itself, the case present, and unusual or unique situation. Data collection and analysis. In this research, in order to find out the teachers and student perception in grammar interaction in communicative language teaching. We use interview in order to gain information about teachers and student perception toward grammar interaction and communicative language teaching classroom. To analyze the data of teachers and student perception toward grammar interaction in communicative language teaching classroom. The data from interview were analyzed to determine information about teacher and student perception toward grammar interaction and communicative language teaching classroom. After we collect the data, we analyze the data by using thematic analysis. In this research, we use trustworthy to qualitative data analysis to make sure that the findings were credible. The importance of grammar. Based on the data obtained from the interview, we got some teacher perception about grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. We found that most of the teachers agree that the grammar was a crucial component in improving student skill in CLT classroom. Classroom activities. Based on the data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar interaction and communicative language teaching. Quality and quality of error correction. Based on the data obtained from interview, we found the most of teachers agree that error correction was an process to create students in mastering material. However, the teachers also did not feel agree when students made a grammatical error. The role and contribution of students in the learning process. The data obtained from the interview also revealed that teaching grammar instruction in CLT classrooms should be balanced. The importance of grammar. Based on the data obtained from the interview, we found that some student perception about grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. Classroom activities. Based on the data obtained from interview, it was found some perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. Discussion. After analyzing the data by using a thematic analysis, it was found that there was several information about teacher and students' perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching classroom. That's considered of A. The importance of grammar. B. Classroom activities. C. Quality and quantity of error correction. D. The role of teacher classroom. A. The role and contribution of students in the learning process. Conclusion. Based on the data analyzed by using thematic analysis, it was found teachers and student perception toward grammar instruction in communicative language teaching. I think it is enough. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.